Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Naya Lee with Royal Crafting, and I'm going to show you how I put together my tic-tac-toe board after cutting it on a Glowforge. So, as soon as you're done uploading the SVG file into the Glowforge software, you set it to cut. Now, I am personalizing this, so I did scoring first. I always like to get the scoring or engraving out the way before I start the cutting. So after it engraves, then the Glowforge starts to cut the individual pieces. Now after all the individual pieces are cut, it will then cut out the board. So it's layered. There's a bottom layer and then a top layer. So I I actually spray paint the top layer. I leave the bottom base layer blank in its natural state so that I can layer it and have some contrast. So after the paint is all dry of the pieces and the top layer, I then go back and I add wood glue and then I glue the top part together. And there you have it, your tic-tac-toe board. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.